guys. Guess what? I'm so happy today. I'm so happy, super excited. Guys, if you want to know why, anyway, the Lord has done it finally. Finally, the Lord has done it finally. First of all, those who haven't subscribed to my channel, click that button below and subscribe to my channel, please, I beg. And for the returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. So today I want us to do something different, and I'm just happy. It has happened. It has always been my dream, nimeishi kutamani. Kwanza since I came here in Malindi. You know how the weather can be in Malindi, the weather is. So guess what? I have a fridge. And guys, I wanted to unpack it with you. Don't want it. And also arrange and organize whatever the language, but I wanted us to do it pamoja. And thank you for your support guys. So nimefurahi, niko na furaha sana. And anyway, ndio ujue niko excited. Yani nimepata fridge sasa hivi na nikakimbia duka, nikakimbia kwenda kutafuta vitu naweza weka. Ndio ujue tu venye niko excited. Ndio nikakimbia kutafuta vitu zenye naweza weka kidogo. Anyways, penye mfuko wangu inafika, but I just want to say thank you to the Lord. So let's unpack it. So guys, this is my fridge, and we ordered it in Kilimall, and yeah, they delivered. So I want to unpack it. This is my fridge guard. I was told bila fridge guard inaweza haribika, when I can't afford iharibike. So let's unpack it. Now that's my fridge. I love it. It's golden color, you can see. So, and I just love it so much. I love it. You see, it has 3.5 stars. Iliambiwa ikiwa above 2, hiyo iko sawa. So yangu iko 3.5. I have no worries. Now this is my first part, the freezer part, and yeah, my fridge parts. Guys, I love my fridge. I really love my fridge. I've always wanted to have one, and now see what the Lord has done. The Lord has done it finally. 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 Finally. The Lord has done it finally. The Lord has done it finally. So I'm so happy. I'm so happy. That was the unpacking process. I just love the fridge. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy, even I can't express it. But I just want to say thank you to the Lord, because this Malindi weather, manze, hey, yani I just needed a fridge. Mungu mwenyewe hata amenisaidia, and I'm so happy for that, and I'm so grateful to the Lord. Now I have a fridge. So now what I'm going to do next, I'm gonna nitapanguza panguza tu vumbi juu. It's not like nimeweka kitu, so bado ni mpya. Napanguza panguza tu, then nipange cha tuanze. So let's guys start by plugging the fridge on the socket. My fridge guard.
Courtesy of Harvey, I have a fridge. Thank you, Alvin. I love you so much, my love. Thank you for this, and I really appreciate. And namupenye umetoa hapo, Mungu akuongezee mingi. So I want to plug it. I'm gonna plug it for 15 minutes before I start using it, ndio sasa nianze kutumia. And before, by the way, venye imekuwa transported, I had to leave it for 3 hours to settle first so that I can plug it. I don't know, because wanasemanga ati juu ya gas settle ndio nini juu ya hiyo kulikuwa transported hiyo kurukaruka bla bla bla, I guess so. But anyways, thank you baby. So guys, these are the foodstuffs that I want to put in the fridge. My tomatoes, my vegetables, hiyo ni seveve. Yeah. That is spaghetti. I have spinach, I have sijui kama mnajua mrenda, the coriander there, and my smokies, my meat. I told the butcherman aweke kwa hizo portion hivyo, agawanyishe. My milk, fresh one, and mala, niko na mala pia. I have my soda there, my natural yogurt, and my chicken, my fruits. Yeah. So for me, I really love blended juice, but so nita blend kiasi na zengine bado pia niache for storage. And those are the foodstuffs zenye nitaweka. Yeah, and I'm so glad. Huku Malindi, I really needed that fridge, because huku huwezi eka food ati ulikula usiku unataka kuiacha hadi asubuhi, itaharibika juu ya joto yenye iko huku. So the fridge is so necessary, is a necessity here. Si kama Nairobi manze tulikuwa tunaishi tu. Yeah, so hizo ndo food stuff zenye nataka kuweka leo, ndo ujue tu venye I was longing for a fridge. Unaona hadi nishaenda tu nimetafuta food today na ni late. So meaning hata kuna stuff zenye hazijafika, but nataka nipange hizo nichemshe hizo mboga, niweke na zenye ni necessary, then I'll show you the fridge venye inakaa. Now nimemaliza kupanga sasa. Yeah, now I want to show you. We start with the freezer part. Hizo ndo zenye nimeweka, nishachemsha mboga. Hizo ni seveve, spaghettis na zile mrenda zenye niliwaambia, na kuna cereals na saa zile meat with the smokies and the nyama and the kuku. And that's hiyo part ya refrigerator. Yeah, no, there's my milk there. Eggs, tomatoes, hizo mandizi, kuna carrots, cucumber, okras. Na hii part ya mlango sijaweka kitu. Yeah, but pole tu tutaijaza. Now the next time I'll be coming, takuja na fridge organization from A to Z. Takuja tutoe everything to wash and then tuipange na ijae, right guys? Yeah. Now that's the whole view of the fridge.